Hi friends, good morning. Welcome back to math. I want to start off with a couple of practice problems like we've been doing every day. Today's page is section lesson 10.9 and it's page 305, 306. I'm going to share my screen really quick with you so we can do a couple of these problems. I already have them written down here, but I'm going to write them correctly because if you see them the way they are, you know they're not correct. So we'll start with the first one, 284, 167. You see how I stack them one on top of each other? They're not over to the side, they're directly underneath and on top, okay? That's exactly what you're gonna do on your paper. Or you could be doing this also on your whiteboard with me, okay? So take out your whiteboard, your marker, and then have your paper and pencil with your eraser right next to you, all right, friends? Good job. All right, let's add the first column together, which is the ones. We always start in the ones. 7 plus 4 more, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, there's a problem here. The number is greater than 10. So we must extract a 10 and send it over to the tens room. So 8 plus 1 more is 9. 9 plus 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have to do it again. So the 5 goes here and we take it to the top, bro. Did you see how we did that? We just had to regroup 2 times in one problem. We've never done that before first grade. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 1 more is 4. So our answer is 451. Wow, how do you feel right now? That's big kid stuff right there. Regrouping twice in one problem. You're so amazing. Let's keep going, okay? Let's do the next one. 369 plus 143. And I'm going to say it again. Look at how right underneath I put the next number, okay? I didn't write it off to the side or the other side. It's right underneath. 9 plus 3 more, 10, 11, 12. Take it to the top. Well, we know 6 plus 4 is 10. That makes a 10. We can tell right off the bat. And if you did that rainbow sheet, the rainbow edition of making a 10, you recognize it right away that 6 and 4 go together and 4 and 6. Doesn't matter which way you add them, but they make a 10. Plus 1 more, so 10 plus 1 more, 11. So we need to regroup again. You've got to be kidding me. And there you have it. So 3 plus 1 more is 4. Then we have 1 more, that's 5. 512. Whoa. All right, let's continue. 284 and 1. Oh, we already did that one. 163 and 179. 9 plus 3 more, 12. Carry the 1. 6 plus 7, that's a double plus 1. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 1 more, 13. Then we carried 1, so 14. And take it to the top. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. All right, you guys are ready. Let's go ahead and read the top of our paper. The biologist at the Beach Nature Center counted 177 kittiwakes last summer. It was a type of bird. It's right there. It almost looks like a seagull. They counted 146 more terns than kittiwakes. How many terns did the biologists count? Well, first, they're telling us to regroup the ones. So see if you can take out 10 and send it over to the next room. And they could. So you see that they circled 10 ones, and then they're sending them over right here to the tens room. Now you're going to look at your tens. So before we only looked at our ones, all right? We only looked at our ones and saw if we could extract 10. And almost all the time we could. Now we're adding another step to it, okay? We're going to look in the ones, and see if we can extract 10. If we can, we send it over to the next room, take it to the top. Then we're going to look at our tens. Can we pull out 10 of them to make 100? In this case, yes, we can. They already circled it for you. Do you see that? They circled 10 out of 12. So those 10 now become 100. And we have 2 tens left. So then we add the 100 after that. All right, 323 turns. All right, well, the front, that was kind of easy. The front, you didn't have to do anything. Now the back here, We're going to zoom on through the back. Are you ready? All right, I know you are. You guys always have good attitudes. Here we go. 7 plus 5 more. Well, if I had 7 and 5, we know that's bigger than 10, so we can pull out 10. 7 plus 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I can pull out a 10 and I'm going to take it to the top. 8 plus 1 is 9, plus 6 more, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh my goodness. So write your 5. Don't forget to write your 5. And we can take out 10 of those to make a new 100. So we're going to take 100 to the top. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 1 more, 4. Nice. All right, let's do the next one. 8 plus 5 more, 13. Take it to the top. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 7 is 17. Take it to the top. 4 and 1 is 5, plus 2, 6, 7. 773. All right, you guys are doing amazing. Stay with me. 9 plus 7 more. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Do we need to regroup? Yes, we do, because 16 is too big to be in the ones room. 9 plus 2 more is 11. 11 is too big to be in the tens room. So we need to move it over. Because really, if we have 11 tens, I'm going to show you, and this might be where you guys get confused, because 11, if you think of the number 11, technically it's a 10, but we're talking about 11 tens, which means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. Can 110 be in the tens room? No, it can't. We can only leave the 110, and the 100 has to move over to the hundreds room. Does that make more sense if I explain it that way? And then 3 hundreds. All right, 9 plus 6 more, 14, carry the 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 8 plus 5 more, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I can't have 13 tens. Take it to the top. 6 and 1 is 7. You guys are so amazing. Okay, let's keep going. Check mark the kind of regrouping needed. So if you're regrouping in them, let me show you an example. All the ones that we did on top, we regrouped in both the ones and the tens. If you're only taking it to the top, you're sending it from the ones room to the tens room, then you're regrouping tens. If you're only regrouping from the tens room to the hundreds room, then you're only regrouping tens. Or you're only regrouping ones if you're going from, I think I said that wrong, if you're going from the ones room to the tens room, okay? I'll show you. 8 plus 5, 13, take it to the top. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 1 more, 11. Okay, so right there you see that we regrouped on both. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 1 more, 6. So we regrouped in both. Let's move over to the side. 6 and 3 is 9. Oh, no regrouping yet. 2 and 1 is 3. 7 and 1 is 8. Did we have to regroup anywhere? Did we take it to the top in any one of those rooms? No, we did not, so neither. Neither one of those. All right, 9 plus 6, I can already tell we need to regroup. 9 plus 6 more, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Take it to the top in the tens room. Sorry, we regroup the ones. 4 and 4 is 8. 5 and 1 is 6. So where do we regroup? Only the ones. Okay, so if there's a 1 over the tens room, that means you had to regroup in the ones. So you're only going to pick ones. Let's do the next one. 3 and 3 is 6. 8 and 6 is 14. Take it to the top. 2, 3, 4. Did we have to regroup? Yes, we did. We regrouped the tens because we took out 10 from the tens room and gave it to the hundreds. You guys are fantastic. Let's keep going, my friends. 9 plus 2 more is 11. Carry the 1. 5 and 6 is 11. Plus 1 more is 12. Take it to the top. 5, 6, 7, 821. Let's move down to number 10. 8 plus 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Take it to the top. 8 and 1 is 9. Plus 2 more is 11. Take it to the top again. 1, 2, 313. 4 and 1 is 5. Oh, we don't have to regroup here. This is so nice. 1 and 1 is 2. And 2 plus 3 is 5. 525. All right, number 12. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 and 8, that's a double. Alexander, do you know what 8 plus 8 is? 16. 2 plus 2, that's another double, is 4. Plus 1 more equals 5. Our answer, 568. Good job, friends. Let's go on. 2 plus 3 is 5. 9 plus 1 is 10. Take it to the top. 4 plus 3 is 7. Plus 1 more is 8. 9 plus 8 more is 17. That's a double plus 1. 8 plus 8 is 16. Plus 1 more is 17. Take it to the top. 4 and 1 is 5. Plus 2 more is 7. And 3 plus 1 more is 4. 477. Nice, friends. 9 plus 3. 9, 10, 11, 12. Take it to the top, sis. 2 plus 1 plus 1. That's 4. And 8 plus an imaginary 0 is 8. That's a big number, friends. 842. I hope you're saying the numbers afterward too. It gives us good practice to say the numbers, the bigger numbers that are in the hundreds. 8 plus 1 more is 9. 2 plus 1 more is 3. 6 plus 1 more is 7. 739. Wow. That was a lot of numbers in a short amount of time. Okay, friends, down below is some review for subtraction. Let's do a couple of those really quickly. Some of these are going to need regrouping and some don't. Remember, if the number on top is smaller than the number that you're taking away on the bottom, you must regroup, which means borrow from the tens. All right. So it's the opposite of what we're doing up in the math section. From the math section, you're taking 10 ones and making it a 10. Now in the subtraction section, you're getting a 10 and taking it apart and making it ones. Okay? 5 take away 2, 3. 4 take away 1 is 3. 2 take away 7. You can't do it. You must borrow. Our 8 becomes a 7. Our 2 becomes a 12. 12 take away 7 is 5. 7 take away 1 is 6. Got it? Very nice. All right, 4 take away 9. You can't do it. Let's borrow. 14 take away 9. 9. I like to count up if it's close. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's 5. And 5 take away 0 is 5. 4 take away 3, 1. 2 take away 1, 1. That was easy. We didn't have to regroup at all. Oop, look at the last one. I can already tell you need to regroup. 6 take away 9, you can't do it. Our 5 changes to a 4. Our 6 becomes 16. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's 7. And 4 take away 2 is 2. Take a deep breath, my friends. Wow, you guys are so amazing. I am so proud of you. All your hard work. We will see each other again a little bit later. All right. Bye, my friends. See ya.